Welcome to 6801 of 500 Elizabeth Street, one of Melbourne's most exclusive and expansive penthouses. A sky-high residence that redefines luxury living right in the heart of the city. Occupying the top 3 levels of the building and spanning over 820 square metres, this extraordinary penthouse offers 6 generous bedrooms, 5 opulent bathrooms, and 5 secure car spaces, all wrapped in uninterrupted 360-degree views of the city skyline, Port Phillip Bay, and the Dandenong Ranges. Step inside and you're greeted with soaring ceilings, full-height glass, and natural light from every angle. At the centre of the home is a chef's dream, a fully integrated Gaggenau kitchen with premium appliances and a concealed butler's pantry. The master suite is a private retreat featuring a marble ensuite with a soaking tub and a large walk-in dressing room. There's also a private business suite with separate lift access, ideal for working from home or hosting clients. At the top, a private rooftop terrace with an outdoor lounge and barbecue area offers the perfect setting for entertaining or simply enjoying the city lights in peace. Residents also have access to an exclusive suite of building amenities, including a heated indoor pool, gym, sauna, private cinema, and 24/7 concierge. All of this is positioned just steps from Queen Victoria Market, with trams, cafes, universities, and retail at your door.